I'm Tsai-En Yu. I'm from Graduate Institute of Human Resource Management, National Changhua University of Education. And as you can see, this is my typical. This is my outline. First is research background. More and more studies have shown that the best companies are those that can balance exploratory innovation and explorative innovation. This highlights the importance of innovation ambidexterity. However, to achieve innovation ambidexterity, companies must balance the tension between exploitation and exploitation. Paradoxical leadership may be a good way to solve this problem. Zheng and Ou show that making choice in competitive tension is a necessary evil, so leaders inevitably face of conflict and tension in managing people. While situation leadership theory implies taking either or strategy, choose A or B based on different situations, with A and B being separate and patently contradictory. Paradoxical leadership involves taking due choice that can overcome the tension between exploitation and exploitation. This is why paradox leadership may promote innovation and ambidexterity. Tushman and O'Reilly argue that ambidexterity is largely driven by internal processes with top management teams, which enable them to handle a large amount of innovation, decision-making choice, and manage conflict and uncertainty. However, they did not specify which TMT process were involved. Currently, the hierarchical theory lacks evidence of the effect of TMT reflexivity on decision-making, so this study takes TMT reflexivity as a variable of team process to the impact of TMT process on innovation and ambidexterity. And then is literature review. Theory. This study underlies Hambrick and Mason's upper echelon theory, proposed in 1984. As the framework and hypothesis for research, the theory is widely applied in research related to top management team and practice that organizational performance is practically determined by the background characteristics of top management, with their characteristics depicted as decision-making factor for strategic choice, determining organizational performance. Paradoxical leadership theory is based on the integration of Eastern Indian philosophy and leadership theory. The Eastern philosophy views the world as a whole dynamic entity where all universal phenomena are formed by the integration of two opposite universal energy, yin and yang. Although paradoxes are contradiction, negating, and separating, they are also independent, complementary, and integrated into a harmonious whole. All organizations are built on contribute contentedly independent, creative, and free individual on one hand, while seeking to maintain organizational order and structure on the others. Those leaders face continuous competing demands to satisfy the structural needs of the organizational and the personal needs of followers. Under the CEO paradoxical leadership background, TMT members have a certain level of freedom and may be more willing to express their opinion in an open atmosphere. Those that are willing to engage in TMT reflexivity and due to the particular paradoxical leadership style used by the CEO. The TMT may discuss past success, failure, and formulate better plans to meet the CEO's job demands. However, the CEO also gives the TMT some flexibility and ultimate decision-making power, leading them to consider the CEO's perspective when making decisions. Therefore, TMT decision may involve TMT in reflexibility to ensure their evidence and reflexibility, among other factors. As such, this study suggests that CEO paradoxical leadership has a positive impact on TMT reflexibility. In the process of TMT reflexibility, team members may discover that some information points to inspiratory innovation, while other information point to applied information. In the planning process, they may consider whether past success or failures were caused by so using exploratory or applied innovation. Hence, for situational business operation, TMT members may realize the importance of innovation adaptability divergence, leading them to make decision and procedure results that reflect innovation adaptability divergence. Therefore, this study suggests that TMT reflexibility has a positive impact on innovation adaptability. Effect of centralized decision-making and connectedness. Past studies have shown that organizational structure is an important condition for leader behavior effectiveness, as it determines the position and flow of innovation and ability, as well as the interaction patterns between organizational members. For example, Miller states that organizational structure and strategy making process are highly interdependent and must complete each other in many ways to ensure good influence. Therefore, we believe that centralized of decision making and connectedness will affect the degree to which production leadership by the CEO promotes TMT reflexibility. In other words, by using those two variables as the first stage of moderation, centralization of decision-making and connectedness moderate the indirect impact of CEO paradoxical leadership on innovation and reflexibility. By analyzing this indirect effect of organizational structure, this study responds to the call for more research on boundary conditions related to ambidexterity. And then is my method. This is my research design. Sampling. For this study consists of list and over-the-counter companies in Taiwan. The questionnaire will be administered to CEO and TMT of this company. A total of 300 questionnaires are expected to be distributed with an anticipated effectiveness response rate of 75%. And this is our hypothesis. These two. Then is our measures. You can see the scale we use in this study in this PowerPoint. After all the questionnaires are collected, this study will use SPSS 22 to perform descriptive statistical analysis, Pearson correlation analysis, reliability analysis, measure the predictive relationship between variables, and we use M+ for CFA to test the relationship between different variables. Test the CFI, SRMR, RMSEA to ensure consistency. Presentation. Thank you.